With an estimated 7.77 million species of animals on the planet, the animal kingdom is an undeniably diverse place. But while the breadth of earthly biodiversity may be well known, the incredible things our animal counterparts can do are often hidden to humans. From furry creatures you never realized kiss to those who enjoy getting tipsy, these amazing animal facts are sure to wow even the biggest animal lovers out there. Number 1. Koala fingerprints are so close to humans that they could taint crime scenes. Koalas might not seem to have a lot in common with us, but if you were to take a closer look at their hands, you'd see that they have fingerprints that are just like humans. In fact, they're so similar when it comes to the distinctive loops and arches, that in Australia, police feared that criminal investigations may have been hampered by koala prints, according to Ripley's Believe It or Not. Any koalas who want to commit crimes would be wise to do so wearing gloves. Number 2. Parrots will selflessly help each other out. Parrots may be associated with pirates, but it turns out African gray parrots are nothing like the infamously greedy, treasure-seeking criminals. Instead, researchers have discovered that the colorful birds will voluntarily help each other obtain food rewards and perform selfless acts, according to a 2020 study published in Current Biology. Study co-author Auguste von Bayern noted, African gray parrots were intrinsically motivated to help others, even if the other individual was not their friend, so they behaved very prosocially. Number 3. Prairie dogs kiss. They're giant rodents, they dig massive interconnected underground homes, and they kiss. While they're actually touching their front teeth in order to identify each other when they seem to be sweetly sharing a smooch, the BBC explains that scientists believe prairie dogs kiss and cuddle more when they are being watched by zoo visitors, because they appear to enjoy the attention. Number 4. Ghost crabs growl using teeth in their stomachs. Crabs may be able to intimidate other creatures with their claws, but if that's not enough, ghost crabs will growl at their enemies like a dog. However, unlike our canine friends, crabs make these fearsome noises using teeth located in their stomachs. There are 3 main teeth, a medial tooth and 2 lateral teeth, that are essentially elongated, hard, calcified structures. They are part of the gastric mill apparatus in the stomach, where they rub against each other to grind up food. Jennifer Taylor, from the University of California, San Diego, told Newsweek. She and her colleagues were able to nail down the source of the noise after noticing that the crabs were growling at them. Number 5. The mantis shrimp has the world's fastest punch. You might think that boxers have the most impressive jabs, hooks, and uppercuts on the planet, but it's the mantis shrimp that boasts the world's fastest punch. Traveling at about 50 miles per hour, when a shrimp punches, its little fist of fury, which, of course, isn't a fist at all, is accelerating faster than a .22 caliber bullet, according to Science. National Geographic shared the tale of one such small smasher, explaining that in April 1998, an aggressive creature named Tyson smashed through the quarter-inch thick glass wall of his cell. He was soon subdued by nervous attendants and moved to a more secure facility in Great Yarmouth. Unlike his heavyweight namesake, former professional boxer Mike Tyson, Tyson was only 4 inches long. But scientists have recently found that Tyson, like all his kin, can throw one of the fastest and most powerful punches in nature. Number 6. Female lions do 90% of the hunting. While male lions attract their fair share of attention thanks to their impressive manes, it's the female lions who do the bulk of the work when it comes to feeding their families. Lionesses, not male lions, do the majority of hunting for their pride, according to CBS News. Lionesses hunt around 90% of the time, while the males protect their pride. Number 7. Narwhal tusks are really an inside-out tooth. Narwhals are unlike most other whales because they have what appears to be a giant tusk. But that's not actually a tusk at all. What you're seeing is a tooth. Harvard University's Martin Weah told the BBC that the tooth is almost like a piece of skin in the sense that it has all these sensory nerve endings, adding that it's essentially built inside out.
Number 8. The world's oldest known breed of domesticated dog dates back to 329 BC. Dogs are well known for being man's best friend, and it turns out that's a relationship that goes back longer than you might expect. According to Guinness World Records, the oldest known breed of domesticated dog goes all the way back to 329 BC. Saluki dogs were revered in ancient Egypt, being kept as royal pets and being mummified after death, they note. There are carvings found in Sumer, present-day southern Iraq, which represent a dog, closely resembling a saluki, which date back to 7000 BC. Number 9. And the oldest evidence of domesticated cats dates back 9,500 years. Cats have also been hanging around humans for thousands of years. Guinness World Records reports that we've been domesticating cats for 9,500 years. Proof of this came in 2004 when the bones of a cat were discovered in the Neolithic village of Shilaracambos on Cyprus. The position of the cat in the ground was next to the bones of a human, whose similar state of preservation strongly suggests they were buried together. Number 10. Puffins use twigs to scratch their bodies. Puffins surely have enough to be proud of with their beautiful beaks, but the seabirds also happen to be quite clever. According to a 2019 study published in Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, PNAS, Atlantic puffins in both Wales and Iceland were observed spontaneously using a small wooden stick to scratch their bodies. Indeed, in a video shared by Science, a little puffin can be seen picking up a tiny twig before using it to scratch an itchy spot on its belly.